Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing this awesome chocolate cake. If you really like chocolate, this will be the best cake for you. Follow my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, let's do the biscuit. First, let's take some plums and add hot water. Then dry them out. After, cut them into little pieces. In a bowl, we put some chocolate and some butter. And we put it on top of hot water and let's melt everything together. Then in another bowl, put 2 eggs. Then add the sugar and mix it. After, add it into the chocolate. Then go adding the milk. After, add the flour. And a bit of baking powder. At the end, just add the plums and mix it. Then put into the pan with some parchment paper at the bottom. Spread it out, and you can put it into the oven in 180 degrees for about 40 minutes. After, separate the cake from the border and take out the pan. Now let's level the cake. And put it again into the pan. Now, let's do the chocolate glaze. I'll be using black chocolate and some butter. And melting it like before. Go mix it until everything is dissolved. Then, add the chocolate on top and let it sit. When it's all done, you can cut it this way. It appears to be more beautiful, and serve it. This is the result and it's super delicious, and I hope you like this recipe, because if you like chocolate, you will like this recipe. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you liked it, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos.